What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the episode of Chowtime with Chau. I'm your host, Chau. Alright, so we're going to go to a food truck called LOL and More, which stands for lots of Lumpia. They have Lumpia, Pancit, fried rice, teriyaki chicken, and they have a bunch of like different po' boys and sandwiches. But we're going for Lumpia because that's their special. Let's go. Alright, y'all, I'm back on. So I got the Lumpia plate. Camera's trying to go down. So I got the Lumpia plate with some pancit. So it comes with 5 Lumpia, and I got pork. And the pancit is right under it. Got some sauce. Looks like red chili sauce. Alright, let's try it. Of course I got my own chopsticks. Let's try the Lumpia first. It's pork. Not bad for Lumpia. Okay. Let's get some of those noodles in there. Runaway sauce. I'll clean it up in a minute. Okay, so this is my first time eating this pancit noodles. I don't know what's supposed to be in it, but clearly this just has a lot of noodles. It has like 1 or 2 pieces of, I'm not sure what this is. It's just a messy kind of day today, I guess. So yeah, there's not much veggies in here, a couple pieces, so it's just a lot of noodles. Alright, so I can't tell you how good it is because I really don't know how to scale this thing. Flavor wise, it's not bad. It's kind of plain in a way. It's like, I guess it's rice noodles. I don't know if I would go back. The noodles, it's okay. Like I've had things that are better with better seasoning and flavor. The Lumpias, they're a lot better. I'll give the Lumpias about 7.5 chows. So definitely get the Lumpias, the noodles, pancit, and you can probably skip that. But other than that, I'm gonna actually eat this whole thing. And yeah, because it's my dinner. I hope you guys liked it. Comment, share, subscribe. Like, I'm not sure what my camera keeps doing, but it keeps falling over. So yeah. Alright, y'all, remember, as always, ciao.